Welcome, curious minds, to another journey into the mysteries of the ancient world. Today, we uncover the secrets of one of the most fascinating architectural wonders of all time, the pyramids. From the sands of Egypt to the jungles of Mesoamerica, these enigmatic structures have captivated humanity for millennia. The Great Pyramid of Giza, built over 4,500 years ago, stands as a testament to the ingenuity and ambition of ancient civilizations. But how was it constructed with such precision, and what purpose did it serve? Scholars believe that the construction involved thousands of skilled workers, using simple tools and sheer manpower. The alignment of the pyramid, with the cardinal points, and its exact proportions continue to baffle engineers and historians alike. Inside, the Great Pyramid houses the King's Chamber and the Grand Gallery, both showcasing advanced knowledge of architecture and astronomy. The purpose of these chambers remains a topic of debate. Were they tombs, or did they serve a more profound, ritualistic purpose? Interestingly, pyramids are not unique to Egypt. The Pyramid of the Sun in Teotihuacan, the Temple of Kukulkan in Chichén Itzá, and the Pyramids of Nubia all share striking similarities in design and construction. Could there be a universal connection or shared knowledge among these ancient civilizations? Modern archaeology continues to unveil secrets buried beneath the sands. Artifacts, hieroglyphs, and mummies provide glimpses into the lives and beliefs of the people who built these monumental structures. Yet, many questions remain unanswered. Some theories suggest that pyramids were not just tombs, but powerful spiritual centers. Rituals performed at these sites were believed to connect the earthly realm with the divine, harnessing cosmic energy and guiding souls to the afterlife. As the sun sets over the ancient pyramids, we are reminded of the enduring legacy of these awe-inspiring structures. They stand as silent witnesses to the brilliance and mystery of ancient civilizations.